Imagine soaring through the vibrant green canopy of a tropical rainforest with the sounds of exotic birds filling the air. Suddenly, a flash of brilliant color catches your eye. You stop and gaze in awe at one of the most iconic birds of the rainforest. Yes, it's the toucan bird. With their massive, colorful beaks and striking black and white feathers, toucans are nothing short of mesmerizing. But there's much more to these extraordinary birds than meets the eye. Let's dive into the world of toucans and uncover what makes them so fascinating. Toucans call the tropical and subtropical rainforests of Central and South America home. From the lush rainforests of Brazil to the vibrant jungles of Costa Rica, these birds thrive in humid, densely wooded areas where food is abundant. They're known for perching high in the trees, hopping from branch to branch with their surprisingly agile bodies. In fact, toucans prefer to stay above ground most of the time, making the treetops their kingdom. It's a life of adventure up there, surrounded by towering trees and plenty of tropical fruits. Did you know that there are more than 40 species of toucan birds in the world? Each species is unique, with its own dazzling array of colors and distinctive characteristics. Some of the most popular species include the toucan, which is the largest, and is most recognized thanks to its oversized beak. And what can you say about the keel-billed toucan? Famous for its multicolored beak that almost looks too bright to be real. From small to large, these species bring an incredible diversity to the toucan family, each playing a vital role in its ecosystem. Now let's talk about what toucans love to eat. Toucans are primarily frugivores, which means that their diet consists mainly of fruit. Their large beaks are perfectly designed for picking fruit from hard-to-reach places in the treetops. But toucans aren't picky, they'll also snack on insect. Their versatility in food choice helps them thrive in their tropical environments. And fun fact, toucans have been spotted tossing food into the air and catching it, almost as if they're playing a little game with their meals. Speaking of their brilliant colors, let's dive into one of the toucan's most distinguishing features, their beak. Toucans are famous for their large, vibrant beaks, but have you ever wondered how they get their colors? A toucan's beak is made up of a protein called keratin, the same material as human hair and nails, and its coloration comes from natural pigments. The bright oranges, greens, and blues act as a form of communication, helping toucans attract mates and signal to other birds. Another fun fact, despite their size, toucan beaks are incredibly lightweight. This is thanks to their honeycomb-like structure, which keeps them from being weighed down. So even though their beaks look enormous, they can still fly and move around with ease. The dazzling colors of the toucan's beak serves multiple purposes. Not only do they use it to reach and grab fruit from faraway branches, but they also use it to regulate their body temperature. That's right, toucan beaks are filled with blood vessels that help release heat and cool them down in the tropical heat. Who knew such a beautiful feature also doubled as a built-in air conditioner? Toucans are known for their loud, unique squawks, which may surprise you given their small size. Their calls can range from deep croaks to high-pitched, frog-like sounds, depending on the species. These squawks serve several important purposes in their daily lives. Toucans use their squawks to stay in touch with other toucans in the dense, noisy rainforest. Since they live high in the canopy, their calls help them signal to each other over long distances, whether they're alerting others to food sources or simply keeping track of their group, also scaring off potential threats if needed. When it comes to breeding, toucans are pretty interesting too. Female toucans lay around 2 to 4 eggs, and the incubation period lasts about 16 to 20 days. Both parents take turns keeping the eggs warm, ensuring the next generation of toucans gets off to a healthy start. Once the chicks are born, they're entirely dependent on their parents, but don't worry, they grow fast. Within a few weeks, they start to resemble their adult counterparts, and before long, they're hopping around the trees with their vibrant beaks in full display. Toucans are truly the jewels of the rainforest. With their brilliant colors, playful personalities, and fascinating behaviors, it's no wonder they've captured the hearts of bird lovers all around the world. Whether it's their iconic beaks or their curious nature, there's always something new to discover about these incredible birds. So next time you hear the rustle of leaves in the canopy or spot a flash of color high in the trees, you might just be catching a glimpse of one of nature's most captivating creatures. Thanks for coming along on this colorful journey into the world of toucans. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Bear Bunk Lowdown for the love of animals. And remember, our world is a more beautiful place with these vibrant birds in it. So let's do our part to ensure and protect our rainforests so that they can continue to thrive in their habitat. Thanks for watching.